Well, as you can already tell, it's going to be a busy day today. We've got our chainsaw ready to go, gassed, oiled, sharpened. Really exciting day today. I get to borrow my neighbor's tractor, and we're going to move all this compost that we got for free from our local town. When you don't have a tractor and you just wheelbarrow everything, it takes 10 times as long. So we're going to knock this out in one day. We're also building some raised beds that are going to go along with our garden, which I'm walking down to now. And got some other projects we're going to do. So going to tackle these things, cut up all this firewood that's behind me. So stick around with us today. Got a lot of things we're doing, and the best part of all, I get to use a tractor. Crap out of them.
Yeah. Does they need something?
All set. Using our Ezzdoo chainsaw sharpener. This thing works really good. Makes the sharpening process go a lot faster. We've got a link below in our description so you can check that out. Ezzdoo electric chainsaw sharpener. There's an update on our potatoes. Already getting some little sprouts in each. And before we can move the dirt, before we can build the flower beds, we got to get these old logs out of the way. This will be great firewood for next winter. Well, we got the wood cut up. Oh man, I got bunch of sawdust on me. You know what they call sawdust, right? Man glitter. So wood's cut. My wife has already started on the flower beds. Let's go check her out. Well, how's it going down here? Disassembling. So we built these. This is one of the first projects we did. They're just so bulky. They're hard to move. And really, I overbuilt them. So whoever built these did a good job, didn't they? They did. So we're going to take this apart and we're going to recycle as much as we can and make more raised flower beds. But of course, some of the wood is not going to be salvageable. All right, if you remember, just a few weeks ago, we cleared this area, silvopasturing, cutting down some trees in the wintertime. Now it's time to clean up the mess we made. So we're going to chip the wood, all the branches that are over there, and I'm going to block this wood up, and that's going to be our firewood. Well, the wood is cut, and do you know what time it is? It's tractor time. Let's go get it. All right, well, you can see why I'm all smiles this morning, because our neighbor, Dallas, is letting us use his Kubota LA765, and I will tell you, this is probably a bigger tractor than what we need, but man, does it make the work so much easier. So we moved all the wood that probably would have took us about 15 trips up and down the hill. We made it in 2 or 3, and then now we're going to tackle this compost pile that we've got here, and we're going to build those beds, move the compost into it, and then whatever else, we're just going to spread it. So this thing is making super light work of what would take multiple days, and I'm so appreciative of our neighbor letting us borrow it. And I offered him gas money, whatever he needed, and he's like, nah, just use it what you need it for, expect nothing in return. So we've got some fresh eggs for him, one of our pasture raised chickens, so we're gonna hook him up with some of our farm products, maybe not with money, but what we can give him. Well, practice makes perfect, so we're gonna keep at this job for a little bit, fill some raised beds. But it definitely makes you appreciate guys that do tractor work and do a really good job. But it's fun, you gotta learn. It's the only way that you could do it until you try something and not be afraid. This thing can be a little bit intimidating, but overall, getting the hang of it. Found me a little buddy. Made a home in my compost pile, didn't you? What do we have here?
You can't go
10
Rural
surprises.
King without bringing
Oh
back some
my!
chicks.
Oh, I see them in there. What kind you get?
Oh, Rhode Island Reds. They didn't have hard rocks.
Oh, they're sleeping. So they're 2 weeks old?
Yeah, that's what he said. That's why they were marked down. It looks like you're opening up a KFC box.
Yeah, these are
Happy
live.
meal.
So you can see the size difference. Like almost 2 weeks old. Those are 2 weeks old, but they're like double the size. It's crazy. Update on our tomatoes. They are coming in nice and healthy. And look at them sunflower seeds. Woo! They have bloomed and grown up nice and tall. We're going to put them in the ground. The tomatoes, they've got a lot longer to go, but it's okay. They look good. And now it's time for the flower bed assembly. We're just using the recycled 4x4 post and the boards that were connecting the old planter boxes. Timber!
okay, it'll settle.
Well, we're winding down the day, washing off the tractor, finishing up the raised garden beds. Chicks are growing, making progress here. I appreciate you guys watching today. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. That'll help get our content out. See you on the next video. Woo! That's right. You tell them.